Hidden Kingdom, A Princess's Journey, a magical story for kids. Princess Aurora had always been fascinated by the legend of the Hidden Kingdom, a mystical land that lay beyond the enchanted forest. One morning, as she wandered through the castle gardens, she noticed a shimmering golden pathway leading into the dense trees. Her heart pounded with excitement. Could this be the path to the Hidden Kingdom? She whispered. With curiosity in her eyes and courage in her heart, she stepped forward, unaware that she was about to begin the most magical journey of her life. As Aurora ventured deeper into the glowing forest, she suddenly heard a gentle voice. "You must be lost, little princess," it said. Startled, Aurora turned around to see a small white fox with silver-tipped ears and glowing blue eyes standing before her. "I am Lumi, the guardian of the Hidden Kingdom," the fox said, his eyes twinkling with mischief. "If you wish to enter, you must prove your heart is pure." Aurora, amazed but determined, nodded eagerly. "Tell me what I must do." Lumi led Aurora to a tiny injured bird lying on the ground, its wing broken. "This is your first test," Lumi said. "Prove that your heart is full of kindness." Aurora gently knelt beside the bird and picked it up carefully. "Don't be afraid, little one," she whispered, stroking its soft feathers. As she held it, her pendant began to glow, and suddenly the bird's broken wing healed. With a cheerful chirp, it flapped its wings and flew into the sky. Lumi smiled proudly. "You truly have a kind heart, Princess Aurora." The moment Aurora completed the test, the forest around her started to shimmer. Suddenly, a massive golden gate appeared out of nowhere. With a soft creak, the gate swung open, revealing a breathtaking kingdom floating on clouds, with crystal castles, glowing rivers, and magical creatures flying across the sky. Aurora's eyes widened in amazement. "I found it! The Hidden Kingdom is real." Lumi nodded. "And you are worthy of entering, Princess Aurora." As Aurora stepped into the Hidden Kingdom, a wise old wizard appeared before her. "True royalty is not about power," he said. "It is about kindness and courage." Suddenly, a golden crown made of light appeared above Aurora's head, shimmering brightly. She smiled. She had not only found the Hidden Kingdom, but had also proven herself worthy to be its guardian princess. Moral of the story: a true princess is not defined by her crown, but by the kindness in her heart.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun videos. Bye-bye.